Want to master modern web development for free? Google's Web.dev claims it's your one-stop guide. But is it still the best in 2025? Web.dev is Google's official learning hub for web developers. It covers everything from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics to advanced topics like core web vitals, PWA development, and accessibility. The content is constantly updated to match Google's latest performance and SEO guidelines, so you're always learning what matters for real-world projects. What makes it stand out is its mix of interactive tutorials, hands-on coding labs, and audit tools, like Lighthouse directly integrated into the lessons. However, compared to other platforms like FreeCodeCamp or MDN WebDocs, Web.dev is more of Google focus. Great if you want to optimize for Chrome and search rankings, but a bit narrower in scope. If your goal is to build modern, high-performance sites that rank well, Web.dev is still a must-use in 2025.